Hi and welcome back to the Cheeky Crypto Podcast. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another podcast video. And in today's podcast, we're going to have a look at some of the really big news that is happening and shaking the crypto space at the moment. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, select in all the notifications so you never miss a video. Right, let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start here. Major crypto firms need extra rules. Global Cooperation, ECB, is basically articulating this to us. The central banker said firms like Binance should be forced to disclose legal status and lines of accountability, and with extra rules on top of the European Union's upcoming 𝗕𝗖𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗡 crypto regulation. And basically what's being articulated in this article is that there are going to be gaps in the regulation, and this is something that I've mentioned a few times, more than a few times on the podcast channel, right? That I think regulations are going to be, I guess they're going to be great, but there's going to be issues that we have with regulation, gaps, holes, not enough clarity and grey areas. And this is what we're already seeing before it's even been issued. So, look, I'm not surprised to be seeing articles like this. I think this is just going to be, the first iteration of regulation. And I think it will adapt and grow and flourish over time, but I think there's going to have to be a few iterations of it before the governments get it right. So not a surprise to me. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. We've got MicroStrategy adding another 1,045 Bitcoin to its growing crypto treasury. So yeah, it's about $29.3 million worth, taking their total holdings up to 140,000 BTC, worth over $12.6 billion. I mean, B for bullish, as well as the billions that they've got there. I think, again, either really, really crazy or really, really clever. So, where do you stand with this? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think this is really, really clever or really, really silly to have so much exposure to Bitcoin? Really interested to get your views and opinions on that. The timing is also interesting. Do you think we're going to see a big pullback, or do you think this is a sign that we should expect more bullish moves to the upside? Swiss government-owned bank Post Finance to offer customers crypto. They fight it, they laugh at it, and then I don't think that's the right saying, but they then adopt it and they love it. They learn to love it, and I think that's what we're seeing. Post Finance will begin offering its 2.5 million customers access to buy, store, and sell Bitcoin and Ether thanks to a partnership with Switzerland's Signum Bank. I think, I'm probably butchering that. Apologies. But yeah, look, really interesting to see this one, come to light and flourish. And again, really bullish for crypto. I think these are the signs that we look for. There's so much FUD, there's so much negativity out there, but the positive stuff, the real, adoption that we are seeing in the space is still happening. Big companies, banks even getting involved, and I think we're just going to see this more and more. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on that one. We've got trading expert warns looming stock market sell-off could lead to a bleed out in crypto. So look, I'm again going to share this one in our Discord for people to read through. But basically what's being said here is, something that Nick and myself are aligned with, is that, the financial landscape's just not looking positive right now, and we should expect some sell-offs and we should expect some very hard times. I think this is inevitable and is likely to happen. And, we either retest the lows or we see new lower lows. And people keep calling us out, telling us that we're wrong. But They said that back in June when we said that, you know, all your indicators were going to be invalidated, and you know, there's no change from us here. Like, we look at the markets the same way as we always have, and you know, we're the first to say when we think something's not quite right, or we're off, or we're wrong. But I'm just not seeing that right now, and it's going to be interesting over the next few weeks and months. Binance self-custody wallet launches crypto to fiat off-ramp. So Trust Wallet has partnered with MoonPay and Ramp to allow customers to convert their crypto to fiat without using any centralized exchange. So for me, this is rather interesting. I think this is, you know, the future of wallets, self-custody wallets, and I think we're going to see this more and more. I think this sort of stuff is really, really bullish. And like I say, I think we're going to see more and more wallets doing this. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. That was kind of like the biggest headlines that I kind of wanted to cover off in today's podcast. Been a very, very long day for me today. I hope you enjoyed today's podcast. If you did, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.